Today we can see how to configure the standard ACL in your Cisco Packet Tracer. So before going to the standard ACL configuration, you want to know the scenario of the ACL. Okay, so this is our yesterday's lab, same lab. So I can take the same lab for here. So what means, so yesterday we do the what type of the configuration? LAN configuration, WAN configuration and OSPF configuration. So if I try to ping this this system to, so your destination, this system means I can possible to ping now. So go to the command line, so go to the ping, so 193.168.0.2. so I getting the replay. So this is your proper replay from your system. Okay, so actually what is the ACL means? Access control list. So if you go to company, so you have the different routers. So router 1, so router 2 and router 3. So each and every router you want to give the proper communication as well as the access control list. Actually this router 1, so having a 2 system. Okay, so you want to give the deny or you want to give allow for your PCs. For example, this router 1, there is having a 2 systems. Okay, so it's the same, the center router there is having a 1 PC. Okay, so your destination, you have the 2 systems. So in our scenario we can take the 2 systems here. Okay, so what is actually ACL means? Okay, so you want to give the allow or deny. For example, these 3 routers. So the first router considered about this is HR department. Okay, this is account department. Okay, so this is a marketing department. So each and every department having a separate router. So the PC1, the HR department people is a PC1. They want to try to communicate between the account departments. So I can give the access list for deny. Okay, why? Because of this is a confidential. Okay, account department is a confidential. If any other person they want to try to access the account department PC or any type of the service means I will give deny here. Okay, so same thing, marketing departments also they want to try to access the account department PC means I can give the deny. Okay, rest of these 2 department they can able to communicate with each other. Like HR department is not having any restriction for communicate between the marketing department, but I will give only the deny for the accounting department because of the accounting department is the confidential. Okay, most of the scenario if you go to company and all, you want to give the restriction for your systems. Okay, same thing you want to give here. So in this configuration what I want to do, first go to the Cisco Packet Tracer. So we want to choose which one is the source, which one is the destination. So in this case, so which one is the nearest for your destination you want to know. Okay, so actually the center router, it is the center router, it is I will take the destination. Okay, because of the source is the marketing department. Okay, so this is the actually HR department. So this is the HR department, this department is the marketing department. Okay, so this is the source, this is also source. Which one is the destination means these 2 systems that trying to access your destination system. Okay, so this system it's called a destination system. Okay, so you want to configure the ACL in your centralized router now. So if I try to ping, so this system to this system means account department system I can able to ping now. Okay, so give the ping 193.168.0.2. if I try to ping means I getting the replay from the account departments. Go to the account department, the same manner you want to try to ping your marketing department system 192.168.0.2. so same thing you are getting proper replay now. So what do you want to do means same thing you want to configure the same configuration. So what do you want to do? Now we want to configure the ACL into our centralized destination router. Go to the second router. Go to the CLI mode. Give enter. Go to the enable. Then give configure T. Then what you want to give means first you want to assign the access list now. So give access list. So actually standard ACL, the value of number means 15. So I can give 0 to 199. I can 99. I can able to assign for the standard ACL. So in between the IP address, in between the range, you can give any type of the number. So in this case, I will give 10. Okay. So 10. I want to give which option means deny option. So deny what IP address I want to deny here means that is a very important thing. So the deny the host. So host means what I want to deny now 192.168.0.2. Okay. So the second system I will denying here. Okay. Then give enter. Then same thing I want to access list 10 and deny for your 194.168.0.2. Okay, I will deny two systems in our destinations. Then rest of the systems I can able to allow the communication here. So give. Then second option means you want to give access list. So now first you want to give the deny option, then you want to give the allow option. Okay, so what do you want to give? Give access list, then give same 10 and you want to give permit. Okay, permit any. Okay, so once it's over, give enter, then come exit. Okay, so you want to execute the communication. Okay, what you want to do? Give configuration, give config terminal. So config terminal, you want to give the interface now. So what is the interface here? So FA 0/0, give enter. Then you want to give access list group. Okay, this is a command. Okay, so access list group, you want to give the command for here. Okay, that is a very important. So access list group, when you can to give the deny or allow, you want to give mandatory. Okay, access IP access group, then give same IP address range 10 and you want to give which one, out or in you want to give. So this is a out, I will give now. Give enter, give exit, then give exit now. Okay, so now the ACL configuration is over. Then I want to try to ping this this first system to the account department, means before I getting the proper replay. Okay, so now I trying to ping means it's not getting replay. See, so 192.168.0.2, it is a before ACL before ACL we are getting the replay from your account departments. Now I try to ping this system 193.168.0.2. So give enter. So see, we are getting the destination host is not reachable. So if you get this type of the error means either your interface you have the ACL configuration, or else if your interface is not properly working. Okay, so in this scenario we are configure the ACL in your centralized router, means account department router. So only you can getting this error message. Okay, so this is a standard ACL communication. If I try to ping second system, so for same this system means, so the second system I getting the replay now. Okay, so why? Because of I will deny the first system 193.1 so for example, so I will deny only this particular system, not this system. So this system it's possible to communicate this account department, I can give deny for this particular system only. Okay, so this is the very important. Okay, so thank you. So this is the ACL standard configuration. Okay, thank you.